Once upon a time, in a magical kingdom, there stood a tree that grew golden apples. But every night, one apple mysteriously disappeared. The king asked his 3 sons to guard the tree. The eldest tried, but fell asleep. Studio microphone. The second prince failed too. But the youngest prince stayed awake and saw a golden bird. He only managed to get one shining feather. "Find this bird," said the king. In the forest, he met a wise fox. The fox warned him, "Choose the simple cage." But he chose the golden one, and was caught.
An alarm! Guards, appear at once!
Father, what is it?
An intruder! Secure the grounds!
Yes, Your Majesty, at once!
We stand ready.
To be free, he had to bring a golden horse.
Golden steed, attend me now! Why do you not heed your king's command? This insolence is treason! Move! Defy me at your peril!
Again, he ignored advice, and failed. Then he was sent to find a golden princess. He followed every instruction. And finally, he got the princess, the horse, and the golden bird. He returned home as a hero.
Thank you, my loyal subjects. Your joy is our greatest reward.
Hooray for the eye!
Bless you all.
The king was proud of his wise son. And he lived happily ever after with the golden princess.
By the power of the stars, I bless this union. My love, our kingdom rejoices.
Forever and always, my king.